welcome back to Genie. I'm excited to share with you another tutorial video today on how to recover your Activision account. Have you ever lost your Activision account password and can't seem to remember it anymore, but still want to retrieve your account and all the data and information associated with it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. To start the process, open your web browser and go to Activision.com. Once you're on the website, look for the three horizontal lines on the upper right-hand side of the screen, click on them, and select the login option. Now, if you've forgotten your password, scroll down and click on Forgot Your Password below the sign-in option. This will direct you to another page where you'll be asked to enter your email address. Once you've entered your email address, click on Submit. You'll be informed that recovery instructions will be sent to your registered email address, which you'll have to check. Log into your email account and check for the recovery email from Activision. You'll find instructions on how to reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email and choose any web browser that's convenient for you. Once the page opens, you'll be prompted to set up a new password for your Activision account. After entering your new password, re-enter it to confirm it, and then click on Save. Congratulations! Your password has now been reset, and you can now log into your Activision account with your new password. If you're able to log in successfully, it means that your account recovery has been successful. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Genie for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.